UTC University Health Services is located conveniently in the center of campus. We're located on the side of the University Center. Each student pays a health fee every semester, which goes to fund a lot of the health programs here on UTC's campus. One of the main services that you get with this health fee is that you get free access to UTC University Health Services. So when you come to University Health Services, a lot of the things that you can do there are completely at no cost to you. In order to make an appointment at UTC University Health Services, all you need to do is call us. Our telephone number is 423-425-2266, and you can just select the phone tree option for appointments. The types of services that you might want to use University Health Services for would be things like an ear check if you're having ear pain, a sore throat check if you have a sore throat, or to listen to your cough, or if you're having some abdominal pain, or maybe even a knee injury. You may need to come in for allergy shots or for other types of medication injections. When you come for your appointment, be sure to bring your health insurance information. It's really so we can maintain it on file if we need to send out a lab or if we need to send you for a specialty referral to the community. When students are new to the university, they are required to submit immunizations in order to comply with state regulations for the state of Tennessee. So in order to know what immunizations are required, you could go to the UTC University Health Services website and click on the immunizations link, and it'll walk you through everything that's required and exactly how to submit the information so it can be reviewed by our team.
The first thing I always like students to know is that you have already paid for counseling. Your student fees cover your counseling, and so we encourage folks to take advantage of counseling while you're here on campus. In college, you're surrounded by supports in a way that you probably will not be once you leave college. So again, we encourage you to take advantage of these resources while you can. Some of the main reasons students come to counseling include transitions. So whether it's a transition from high school to college or a different type of transition, chances are you are going through some sort of transition. Students also come to us because of stress and relationship issues, whether it's a relationship problem with your roommate or a romantic partner or with a family member. We encourage you to come talk with us about that. Also, if you're going through some sort of identity concern, the Counseling Center will be an excellent place for you to come and talk through those issues. Or if you're just unsure of what's going on and you just want to talk with somebody, we encourage you to come talk to us. Whether it's for you or whether it's for someone else, we are there and we would love to talk with you. We have 7 full-time therapists on staff, and the way this works is you give us a call at 423-425-4438 to schedule an initial appointment, or you can come by our center. We're located at 338 in the University Center. And that's how you schedule your first appointment. So in your initial appointment, you will speak with a counselor to determine what is the best plan for you. After your first appointment, most students continue to meet with one of our counselors for short-term treatment, and most students get their needs met within 4 to 6 sessions. And we're set up so that we can meet with students about every 2 weeks. But during our busy season, which is midterms and finals, it may be every 3 weeks that you can schedule an appointment, but we will make sure that you are supported when you are waiting for your next appointment. Other students may require fewer sessions, some may require more sessions, but the point of that first appointment is to figure out what's going on with you so we can make a good plan for you to get your treatment needs met. Some students may require additional services or specialized services that we are not in a position to provide, so we can help you find a treatment provider in the community who can meet those needs. We can also connect you with campus resources. We have a clinical case manager on staff who can help you locate appropriate resources, whether they're on campus or off campus. We are planning to continue with face-to-face appointments. As a healthcare facility, we still require masks. We are also set up to provide telehealth appointments. So this is something that you will determine with your counselor, whether it's going to be telehealth or face-to-face appointments. Usually follow-up appointments are anywhere from 30 to 50 minutes in length, and sometimes shorter, sometimes longer. In addition to counseling services, we also have a psychiatric nurse practitioner on staff, and she is in a position to help you stabilize on your medication if medication is something that you need. Additional fees may apply for her services, But in order to access our psychiatric nurse practitioner, you'll need to meet with one of our counselors first. We also offer a number of groups. Although these change every semester, some of our regular groups include support for our LGBTQ students. We offer a Students of Color support group. We offer a mindfulness group. And again, it depends on the semester, but we offer a number of other groups as well. We are proud that we have started an athletics counselor position. If you are a student athlete, you can call the counseling center to set up an initial appointment with the athletics counselor, or you can talk with your athletic trainer to set up those services. Our athletics counselor is there to help you improve your performance or can help you with any mental health needs as well. We also provide outreach services. If you would like for us to come and do a presentation for your student group or for your residence hall, we encourage you to go to our counseling center website and click on the Outreach Requests button. We need 2 weeks advance notice in order to provide those outreach services. We are also available to provide crisis walk-in services. So if you are experiencing some sort of crisis, we encourage you to walk into our center. We're open from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Or if you're experiencing a crisis and you need to call us, please give us a call. If it's after hours and you're experiencing some sort of emergency, we encourage you to call our after hours care line, which is 423-425-CARE or 423-425-2273. So if you need to connect with a therapist after hours, on weekends, or on holidays, you can call that care line. And finally, again, if you are unsure of what you need, please call us at 423-425-4438 or come by our center to set up a conversation with a counselor. We'll help you figure out how to get the best care for yourself.
If you have any questions or concerns during your time at UTC or you don't know where to visit, please reach out to the Office of Student Outreach and Support. We can provide additional support to you regarding your classes, missing classes, if you're needing additional financial support. We want to make sure that you're successful here at UTC.
We know that you're here to come and be a part of school and get your credits and learn, but we also know life doesn't stop. So things like a death in the family, financial concerns, really anything that impacts a student's ability to go to class and be successful, you can come to UTC Student Outreach and Support and receive help from myself and the other case managers. We sit down, we talk to you about what's really been going on. Sometimes we ask for documentation of the circumstances, and one of the biggest things we do is provide academic notification to your professors to ask for leniency around class attendance and class assignments. Working in Student Outreach and Support, one of the things that we do is Scrappy's Cupboard. Scrappy's Cupboard is our food pantry on campus, and we provide emergency food assistance to students. The students can come up to our office. We're located in room 310 of the University Center, and ask to utilize Scrappy's Cupboard. And we have anything in that cupboard from mashed potatoes to diapers and baby food and everything in between.
In the Office of Student Outreach and Support, we have the Denise and Tim Downey Student Emergency Fund, which students can apply to when life circumstance happens. And if you're having an emergency of any kind with a car, medical bills, usually one-time expenses. Also in the Office of Student Outreach and Support, we have a form called the Students of Concern form. So if you have a concern of a friend or another student on campus who you think may need additional support or help, we do care and we want to know how we can best support you.
The Center for Wellbeing is the campus's health promotion hub. We are located on the 3rd floor of the University Center, where we have a relaxing lounge space open to students. Our focus areas include mental health promotion, suicide prevention, alcohol and other drug prevention, physical health, sexual health, nutrition, and sexual misconduct, relationship violence, and stalking prevention.
Hi, my name is Lauren Burns. I'm an assistant director within the Center for Student Wellbeing. My focus areas include mental health and suicide prevention on campus. My goal working within the center is to equip and empower every student with the tools not only to seek help, but also provide peer-based bystander and suicide prevention to others on campus. Their transition to college can have its challenges mentally. Through the use of informative yet engaging initiatives, events, and programs across campus, we equip students with education and resources related to help-seeking behaviors, prevention strategies, self-care promotion, and suicide prevention awareness. Some of our novel programs we host every year include Goat Yoga, Lighting the Way to Hope, Fresh Check Day, and Tai Chi for Me. Our center continuously partners with the Counseling Center, Student Outreach and Support, the Women and Gender Equity Center, Student Family Engagement, and Residence Life. Not to mention, our center has strong relationships with both community and national mental health-based organizations, such as the Tennessee Suicide Prevention Network, TSPN for short, and the Substance Abuse Mental Health Service Association, SAMHSA. We typically have roughly 30 interns throughout the year to provide students peer-based programs to ensure relevancy and validity. Every student has the ability to help themselves and others succeed both mentally and physically. The center is here to be the catalyst for that.
The Red Zone is a time from freshman move-in until Thanksgiving break that statistically the most number of campus sexual assaults occur, particularly among college freshmen. You can make a difference in someone's life. You can practice good consent, you can have good conversations with your peers about what that looks like, and you can ultimately end campus assault.
Sexual misconduct, relationship violence, and stalking prevention is a primary part of my role. I serve as a case manager for students who are survivors of these types of violence. I connect them to resources, safety plan with them, and assist them in accessing accommodations under Title IX, like class excuses, delayed exams, housing changes, and much more to support their success as students. I also plan and implement educational programs working to prevent gender-based violence. Programs include consent education, healthy relationships conversations, bystander intervention trainings, and Domestic Violence Awareness Month, Stalking Awareness Month, and Sexual Violence Awareness Month initiatives.
Get involved and stay up to date on programs by following us on Instagram and Twitter at UTC_CSW.